Let's dive into the top 5 questions about web and apps. What's JavaScript?
JavaScript is a computer language that makes websites come alive. Without it, websites would just sit there like plain pieces of paper, only showing text and pictures. With JavaScript, websites can do things. Buttons can click, menus can drop down, games can run, and videos can play. It's like the difference between a picture of a robot and a real robot that moves and talks. So JavaScript is what gives websites their interactive magic.
What is TypeScript?
TypeScript is like JavaScript's smarter big brother. JavaScript lets websites do cool things, but sometimes it makes mistakes because it doesn't always check your work. TypeScript adds extra rules, kind of like having a teacher look over your homework before you hand it in. It makes sure the code is correct and easier to fix when something goes wrong. The best part? TypeScript still turns into JavaScript at the end, so every website can understand it. So TypeScript is basically JavaScript, but with extra safety checks that help programmers avoid silly mistakes.
What's the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript?
JavaScript is the language that makes websites fun and interactive. Buttons click, games run, and videos play. But JavaScript doesn't always double-check your work. If you make a mistake in the code, it might only break later when you run it. TypeScript is like JavaScript with an extra safety net. It adds rules that check your code while you're writing it, so you can catch mistakes early. The cool part is, TypeScript always turns back into JavaScript in the end, because browsers only understand JavaScript. So JavaScript equals flexible and fast. TypeScript equals the same, but with safety checks built in.
Oh, how does Netflix use dynamic optimization?
When you watch Netflix, your internet speed isn't always the same. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's slow. Dynamic optimization is Netflix's trick to keep your show playing smoothly. Here's how it works. When your internet is fast, Netflix gives you super clear video, like watching through clean glass. If your internet slows down, it quickly switches to a lighter version of the video so it doesn't stop and buffer. It also saves data. Netflix figures out how to show the best quality picture using the least amount of internet so you can watch longer without wasting bandwidth. So, dynamic optimization equals Netflix constantly adjusting the video so it looks good and never pauses, no matter how strong your internet is.
How does skipintro work on Netflix?
It's not magic, and there aren't little people pressing the button for you. When Netflix adds a new show, their system actually studies the episodes first. It looks for patterns like the theme song, the opening credits, and the part that repeats in every episode. Once it finds that, Netflix marks the beginning and end of the intro, just like putting bookmarks in a book. So when you click Skip Intro, Netflix isn't guessing. It already knows where to jump, and it takes you straight to the start of the story. It feels instant, but really it's Netflix doing a lot of homework ahead of time so you can get right to the good part.